duties. The fundamental duties, 10 in number, are enshrined in Article 51A. This part was inserted in 1976 by the 42nd Amendment to the Constitution. The fundamental duties stipulated in our Constitution are: 1. To abide by the Constitution and respect the national flag and the national anthem. 2. To cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom. 3. To protect the sovereignty and unity and integrity of India. 4th. To defend the country. 5th. To promote the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India. 6. To preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. 7. To protect and improve the natural environment. 8th. To develop the scientific temper and spirit of inquiry. 9th. To safeguard public property. And 10th. To strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity. Every citizen is expected to perform these duties as an accompaniment to enjoyment of fundamental rights. Although there has been some criticism against the inclusion of Part 4A on the grounds of redundancy, it may be said that the listing of fundamental duties in the Constitution serve as warning to selfish or reckless citizens against antisocial activities such as showing disrespect to the national flag, burning of Constitution, damaging public property, etc.